In this video, we will understand what is digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to the practice of promoting and advertising products, services, or brands using various digital channels and technologies. It encompasses all the marketing efforts that utilize electronic devices and the internet to reach and engage target audience. The key components of digital marketing includes search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing websites and content to improve their visibility in search engine results pages, organically driving traffic and improving search engine rankings. Search engine marketing, SEM, using paid advertising campaigns on search engines, such as Google Ads, to increase visibility and drive traffic to websites. Social media marketing, promoting products or services through various social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, to engage with the target audience and build brand awareness. Content marketing, creating and sharing valuable and relevant content, such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and ebooks, to attract and retain customers and establish thought leadership. Email marketing, sending targeted emails to a specific group of people to nurture leads, promote products or services, build customer loyalty, or enhance customer relationships. Influencer marketing, collaborating with influential individuals or celebrities in a particular industry or niche to promote products or services to their followers and leverage their credibility and reach. Affiliate marketing, partnering with affiliates who earn a commission for driving traffic or generating sales for a business through their promotional efforts. Mobile marketing, marketing efforts targeted specifically at mobile device users, including mobile-optimized websites, mobile apps, and SMS marketing. Analytics and tracking, utilizing various tools and technologies to measure, analyze, and track the effectiveness and performance of digital marketing campaigns, allowing for data-driven decision-making and optimization. Digital marketing offers businesses the opportunity to reach a wider audience, engage with customers in a more personalized manner, track and measure marketing efforts, and achieve specific marketing goals more efficiently compared to traditional marketing methods.